Welcome to this quick Atticus overview. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started, from creating your account to exporting a beautifully formatted book. Let's jump right in. Once you purchase Atticus, you'll receive a confirmation email. Open it, click the link to set your password, and log in. And that's it. Your account is ready, and you'll automatically land inside the Atticus dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see three different ways to begin working in Atticus. The first being upload a book, the second being start a new book, and lastly, create a new box set. The first option is uploading a book. This allows you to import an existing manuscript as a docx file. Before importing, we highly recommend you check out our video explaining how to pre-format your docx for Atticus. As the video shows, with a couple of simple tweaks to your Word document, you can ensure that your chapters, headings, breaks, and spacing import perfectly into Atticus. Please note, we always recommend uploading a pre-formatted docx file rather than copying and pasting text from other programs, as this helps avoid possible hidden formatting issues. The second option is to start a book. This lets you begin a manuscript from scratch inside Atticus. Once you create a new book, you'll be taken directly into the Writing tab, where you can begin writing in your chapters and organizing your formatting structure as you go. The last option is to create a box set. If you have multiple finished books, Atticus can combine them into a single box set. This is extremely handy if you publish collections, omnibuses, or multi-book series. You'll need to have each book formatted in Atticus first, since Atticus pulls them together as completed files. Check out our video on creating a box set to learn more about this incredibly handy tool within Atticus. Book details. When you upload your manuscript, or while you are in your book, Atticus will have a tab named Edit Book Details. This is where you enter the essentials for your title page: book title, subtitle, author name, book cover, and publisher details. Now let's explore one of the most powerful parts of Atticus, the Writing tab and its functionalities. On the left side, you'll see your navigation panel. This is where all your chapters, front matter and back matter live. Front matter includes things like your title page and copyright page. Back matter includes your acknowledgments or an About the Author page. You can drag and drop to rearrange any of the chapters or sections. Add new chapters by clicking the button on the bottom, or click the three dots to see an array of pre-formatted templates with some of the most common front and back matter pages. In the center is the writing editor, where you'll do your drafting and revising. At the top of the editor, you'll find your basic formatting tools: bold, italics, headings, lists, alignment, and other writing essentials. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your word count, sprint timer, and a quick export option into a docx file. We will dive deeper into other export options later on in this video. You'll also notice the More Tools menu on the top right. This includes helpful features like Find and Replace, your writing goals and habit tracker, and additional preferences. Once you're ready to move beyond writing, head over to the Formatting tab. Here, you can either customize a theme from scratch or choose from Atticus's professionally designed styles. If you want to customize a theme, you will need to click the three dots next to the theme name and select Edit, or Edit as New Theme. Think of themes as the master style guide that governs the overall aesthetic of your entire book. Within themes, you'll find a comprehensive collection of settings, including chapter heading, paragraph settings, scene breaks, foot and end notes, line spacing, and most importantly, trim size. We even include which trim size is compatible with American and international printing, as well as which publishers have which preference from the options. If you go to check out our other video on formatting in Atticus, not only will you get a more in-depth look at each of these theme setting tabs, but you'll also learn how to customize each tab to fit within your own personal preferences and formatting needs. Exporting your book. Everything you see in the previewer on the right updates instantly as you adjust your theme. Underneath your previewer, you will find the main export buttons. You can export your file in two different ways: PDF and EPUB. EPUB is a reflowable format, allowing content to adapt based on the device's screen size. This makes it ideal for various e-readers and mobile devices. PDFs have a fixed layout, maintaining the same appearance regardless of the device. This ensures consistency, but may lead to challenges on smaller screens. This file is ideal for documents that will be printed and put into paperback or hardcover. As you customize your theme, Atticus automatically applies your settings to both your ebook and print layouts at the same time. Once you're happy with everything, click Export, wait a few seconds, and Atticus will generate your files and save them directly to your Downloads folder. And there you have it. That was your quick overview of Atticus. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to check out our tutorial page. Below this section, we have more in-depth videos on writing and formatting, and also some supplemental content. Below that, we have a catalog of articles where you can learn advanced capabilities and designs if you so choose. And finally, if you have any questions or run into anything along the way, be sure to check out our Help Center. And as always, happy writing!